Good morning, students. Once again, a very warm welcome to today's class. How are you all? I hope you are healthy and safe. And you all are studying hard too because आप सबको पता है what is the must thing that we have to do is study, and you have to study very properly so that you can score with amazing marks in your exams, right? Chalo. So now when we have talked of study, now let's move on with our study and let's start the topic for today. So, as you all know that in yesterday's class, we have started the chapter, the text of the chapter, The Happy Prince of your book Moments. Now, the part that we have completed yesterday is all clear to you because I've asked you about your doubts and you said that yes, it's clear, and जिन्हें doubts थे उनके हमने doubts भी clear कर लिए. So now we can start ahead. So you can see a highlighted part, that is the third stanza from down the page, that is then the swallow. यहाँ से हमें आज start करना है. Okay, so then the swallow flew back to happy prince. swallow जब उस girl की मदद करके आ गई, उस woman की मदद करके आ गई, it just flew back. Where? It just flew back to the happy prince and told him what he had done. और उन्होंने उसको बताया that what he had done, उसने क्या किया है. उन्होंने क्या किया, उन्होंने उसको जाकर के क्या दिया था, रूबी दिया था. एंड उसके बच्चे के आसपास फ्लाई करके उसने उस बच्चे को फैन भी किया था. एंड इट इज क्यूरियस, he remarked, but I feel quite warm now although it is so cold. Now he says it is curious. उन्होंने बोला but I feel quite warm now, but अभी मुझे बहुत warm feel हो रहा है although it is so cold. और हालांकि इतनी ठंड है बट आई एम फीलिंग वेरी वार्म. और वो वार्मथ किसकी थी, वो हैप्पीनेस की, सेटिस्फेक्शन की वार्मथ थी, जो कि किसको आई थी वो वार्मथ, उस स्वॉलो को, बिकॉज उस स्वॉलो ने एक बहुत ही गुड डीड किया था. दैट इज बिकॉज यू हैव डन अ गुड एक्शन. ऐसा इसलिए क्योंकि उसने एक बहुत ही गुड एक्शन वहां पे किया था. has done a very good action, said the prince, and the little swallow began to think and then fell asleep. ऐसा प्रिंस ने कहा and then वो जो little swallow था ना, began to think, उसने सोचना शुरू किया and then fell asleep. Thinking always made him sleepy, and thinking जो था ना, उसने उसको क्या कर दिया, sleepy. ठीक है, सोच सोच के उसको नींद आने लगी. When day broke, he flew down to the river and had a bath. And as and when the day break, so वो जो swallow थे, just flew to the river and had a bath. And when जब वो बात के लिए गई, आकर उसने क्या बोला, today I go to Egypt. Said the swallow. Swallow said कि आज मैं अपने इजिप्ट वापस चली जाऊंगी. And he was in high spirits of the prospect, and that is उसका निश्चय जो था ना, was fully determined. उसका दृढ़ निश्चय था that today itself the swallow is going. Now he visited all the monuments, sat a long time on the top of the church steeple, and when the moon rose, he flew back to the happy prince. Have you any commission for Egypt? He cried. I am just starting. And now, when her spirits were very high, and he visited all the monuments, sat for a long time on the top of the church steeple. Steeple कहने का मतलब चर्च का जो एकदम topmost part होता है ना, वो वहां गई, थोड़ी देर बैठी. And after that, when the moon rose, जब शाम हुई, it was moonrise, just flew back to the happy prince. वो वापस happy prince के पास आई and said, have you any commission for Egypt? क्या इजिप्ट के लिए आपका कोई कमीशन है? दैट इज, डू यू हैव एनी वर्क फॉर इजिप्ट? इजिप्ट में आपका कोई काम है तो बता दो, बिकॉज आई एम जस्ट फ्लाइंग ऑफ बैक, बिकॉज मैं वापस इजिप्ट जा रही हूँ. ओके, हु सेड? द बर्ड सेड. swallow said, and now I am just starting, that I am going to start my journey now. Now swallow, swallow, little swallow, said the prince. Now prince said, swallow, swallow, little swallow, will you stay with me one night longer? क्या तुम एक रात और यहाँ रुक जाओगी मेरे पास? I am waited for in Egypt, answered the swallow. But swallow said, नहीं, मेरा इजिप्ट में वेट किया जा रहा है. Now swallow, swallow, little swallow, said the prince, far away across the city I see a young man in a garret. He is leaning over a desk covered with papers, and in the glass by his side there is a bunch of withered violets. His hair is brown and crisp, and his lips are red as pomegranate, and he has large and dreamy eyes. He is trying to finish a play for the director of the theater, but he is too cold to write any more. There is no fire in the garret, and hunger has made him faint. नाउ फर्दर व्हाट हैपन. अब जो सेकंड प्रॉब्लम जो उनको सॉल्व करनी थी, दैट वाज, वो किसकी थी, एक यंग प्लेराइट की थी. Now Happy Prince said that swallow, swallow, little swallow. Far away across the city, I can see a young man in a garret. A young man मुझे दिखाई दे रहा है in a garret. Garret is a small room at the top of the house. छोटा सा कमरा at the top of the house जो होता है उसे हम garret बोलते हैं. And he is leaning over a desk. वो एक desk के ऊपर lean over करके बैठा है, लेटा हुआ है with a जो पूरी क्या है, it is covered with papers. And in the glass by his side, वहां पे एक bunch of withered violets पड़े हैं. उसके हेयर ब्राउन है, क्रिस्प है, एंड उसके लिप्स जो है इतने रेड है, जस्ट लाइक द पोमेग्रेनेट, अनार जैसे लाल एकदम. एंड उसकी लार्ज ड्रीमी आईज. एंड यू नो व्हाट ही इज डूइंग, ही इज ट्राइंग टू फिनिश अ प्ले फॉर द डायरेक्टर ऑफ द थिएटर. एंड वो ट्राई कर रहा है प्ले को फिनिश करने की. एंड वो प्ले किसका है? फॉर द डायरेक्टर ऑफ द theater, but he is too cold to write anymore. But you know what, वो लिखना तो चाह रहा है, but it's too cold that he is not able to write anymore because there is no fire in the grate. ग्रेट के अंदर, वो जो आपने फायर प्लेसेस देखी है ना, उसको ग्रेट बोलते हैं. उस ग्रेट के अंदर कोई भी बिल्कुल फायर नहीं है. एंड ऑल्सो बिकॉज ऑफ द हंगर, भूख के मारे व्हाट्स हैपन, द हंगर हैज मेड हिम फेंट. I will wait with you one night longer, said the swallow, who really had a good heart. He asked if he should take another ruby to the young playwright. Now he says, I will wait with you one night longer. मैं एक रात और I'll wait with you. Now वो word जो थी swallow, उसके अंदर भी ना एक गुड हार्ट डेवलप हो गया था. नाउ व्हाट द swallow said, swallow said, okay, I'll stay with you for one night more. मैं एक और रात तुम्हारे साथ रह लूंगी, मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. But tell me what I have to do. हमें किसकी मदद करनी है? At least we should know that for what reason I'm going to spend one more night longer over here. So who really has a good heart? So this swallow, it shows that it really has a good heart. He asked if he should take another ruby to the young playwright. Now उस बर्ड ने पूछा कि क्या मुझे एक और रूबी लेके उस यंग प्लेराइट के पास जाना है. तो अब उसने क्या कहा? हैप्पी प्रिंस सेड, alas I have no ruby now, said the prince. Prince said, alas, it's very sad to tell you that I don't have any ruby now because there was just one ruby in the sword hilt and that has been given to the, किसको दे दिया था वो? To that seamstress. Now said the prince, my eyes are all that I have left. सिर्फ मेरी आंखें ही हैं. That is the precious thing, it's left with me and they are made of rare sapphires. और ये जो मेरी आंखें हैं ना, वो बहुत ही rare and precious sapphires की बनी हुई हैं. ठीक है? Sapphires are also the very precious stones. Now, which were brought out of India 1,000 years ago. And why are they so rare? Because they have been brought out of India. बाहर से लाए गए हैं इंडिया से 1,000 of years ago. And he ordered the swallow to pluck out one of them and take it to the playwright. And उन्होंने order किया है swallow को just to pluck out one of the sapphire from his eyes and take it to the playwright. He will sell it to the jeweler and buy firewood and finish his play, he said. And उन्होंने बोला कि क्या होगा, वो क्या लेकर के आ जाएंगे, वो उसको सेल करके, by selling it, वो ज्वेलर जो है उसको सेल कर देंगे ज्वेलर को, उस ज्वेल को, एंड उसके बदले जो पैसे मिलेंगे उससे इज गोइंग टू बाय द फायरवुड and getting a proper warmth and will be able to sit on the desk and complete his play. So he'll finish his play, he said. Dear prince, said the swallow, I cannot do that. And he began to weep. Now swallow said, dear prince, swallow ने बोला I cannot do that, मैं ये नहीं करूंगी. And began to weep, और रोना शुरू कर दिया. Swallow, swallow, little swallow, said the prince, do as I command you. उसने बोला swallow, swallow, little swallow, जो मैं तुम्हें कमांड कर रहा हूँ ना, तुम वैसा ही करो. Do as I command you. So the swallow plucked out the prince's eye and flew away to the young man's garret. Now तो swallow ने क्या किया, उसने उस प्रिंस की जो आईज थी उसको उसने निकाला, took out one eye जैसा कि उसको कहा गया था, and flew away to young man's garret, and it was easy enough to get it as there was a hole in the roof. और ये करना बहुत easy था, उसके पास तक जाना was very easy. Why it was so easy? Because there was a hole in the roof. तो वो bird तो थी, छोटी सी तो bird थी, वो सीधी उससे ही उसके अंदर enter हो गई. ठीक है, सीधी उसी से वहां पे वो enter हो गई. And then she reached there and she left that precious sapphire at his place. वो precious sapphire उनको दे करके आ गई एंड टेकिंग दैट प्रेशियस सफायर वाज वेरी हैप्पी एंड इन फैक्ट वी कैन से दैट मोर देन हैप्पी. ओके. Yes. So see, now through this he darted and came into the room. Young man had his head buried in his hands, so he did not hear the flutter of the bird's wings. And when he looked up, he found the beautiful sapphire lying on the withered violets. Now through this, उन्होंने डार्ट किया. He darted, उसमें से डार्ट करके just came into the room. Young man जो था वो अपने hands में से अपना सब टेंशन के मारे सब अपने हेड को अपने हैंड्स में ब्यूरी कर लेते ना, उसने बिल्कुल वैसे कर रखा था. was just sitting like this and so he did not hear the flutter of the bird's wing. तो उसको बर्ड की ना फ्लटरिंग साउंड सुनाई ही नहीं दी. was not able to hear the fluttering sound of the bird. उन्हें वो आवाज नहीं सुनाई दी उनके फ्लटर करने की. and that is why उन्होंने ध्यान भी नहीं दिया उस चीज पे and just did not minded that has somebody entered the room, कि क्या उसके रूम में कोई एंटर हुआ है. was not able to just recognize it. So, and when he looked up, he found a beautiful sapphire lying on the withered violets. लेकिन जब उन्होंने अपनी नजर उठा के देखा ना, तो उनकी नजर किस पे गई? एक बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल सा प्रेशियस सा एक सफायर पड़ा था on the withered violets. I am beginning to be appreciated, he cried. This is from some great admirer. Now I can finish my play, and he looked quite happy. Now he says, I am beginning to be appreciated. उन्होंने ऐसा बोला. And this is from some great admirer. And he further he says, now I can finish my play. He says कि उन्होंने बहुत उनको ऐसा लगा that कोई admirer जब आपको कुछ देता है ना, that means कि वो आपके वर्क को appreciate कर रहा है. That is why वो happiness express करने के लिए, अपना appreciation आपको express करने के लिए ही वो आपको हमेशा कुछ देते हैं. So this sapphire is from one of my appreciators. So now he says, now with the help of this I can finish my play. And then this person, this playwright, looked quite happy. The next day the swallow flew down to the harbor. He sat on the mast of a large vessel and watched the sailor working. I am going to Egypt, cried the swallow, but nobody minded. And when the moon rose, he flew back to the happy prince. Now what he said, उन्होंने बोला कि I am now next day जो swallow था flew down to the harbor, वो harbor तक fly करके गई. Sat on the mast, एक large vessel था जिसके ऊपर अभी sailors work कर रहे थे, तो वो mast के ऊपर वो bird बैठ के sailors को work करके देख रही है. And कह रही है I am going to Egypt, cried the swallow, but किसी ने ध्यान ही नहीं दिया उसकी तरफ. And when the moon rose, जब moon rise हुआ, it just again flew back to the happy prince and says, I have come to bid you goodbye. मैं आपसे goodbye बोलने आई हूँ. He cried. Swallow, swallow, little swallow, said the prince. Will you not stay with me one night longer? Now अभी उसका मन कहाँ भरा था? What he said, उसने बोला कि swallow, swallow, little swallow, तुम मुझे bye बोलने तो आई हो, but are you not going to stay with me for one night longer? एक एक रात और रुक जाओ यहाँ पे. Now अब ये सुन के, it is winter, answered the swallow, and the snow will soon be here. And in Egypt, the sun is warm on the green palm trees, and the crocodile lies in the mud and look lazily about there. Now he says it's winter and snow is coming on the way, and snow can come here anytime. And Egypt में sun बहुत warm है on the green palm trees, and crocodiles lie in the mud looking lazily about them. So that is why I am not going to stay here. I am going to go to Egypt back. Okay, so now we can say that when the prince asked the bird to stay one more night with him over here, कि एक और वो किसी की मदद कर सके. Now what's the answer that the swallow gave? Swallow said that it is winter, and you know that snow will soon be here. And in Egypt, the sun is warm on the green palm trees, and the crocodile lie in the mud, and they just look lazily about them. So in the square below, said the happy prince, there stands a little match girl. उसने बोला देखो नीचे जो स्क्वायर समझते जैसे चौराहे होते हैं ना, that kind of a place. He says चौक बोल देते हैं हम जिसको, तो वो बोलते हैं said that the happy prince ने बोला वहां पे एक छोटी बच्ची खड़ी है and she's selling match boxes. So she is the match girl. एंड शी हैज लेट हर मैचेस फॉल इन द गटर, और उससे जितने भी मैचेस थे ना वो सारे कहाँ गिर गए, गटर में गिर गए। एंड दे आर ऑल स्पॉइल्ड, और सारे जो मैचेस थे वो उसके खराब हो गए। हर फादर विल बीट हर इफ शी डज नॉट ब्रिंग होम सम मनी, और उसके फादर उसको बहुत डांटेंगे अगर वो उसको घर नहीं लेके जाएगी मनी कुछ भी। एंड दैट इज वाई शी इज क्राइंग, और वो रोने लगी। शी हैज नो शूज और स्टॉकिंग्स, उसके पास कोई शूज नहीं है, कोई स्टॉकिंग्स नहीं है। एंड हर लिटिल हेड इज बेयर, और जो छोटा सा उसका हेड है, लिटिल हेड, वो भी बेयर है। दैट इज, उसके कोई स्कार्फ, सैश, कैप, देयर इज नथिंग। Pluck out my other eye and give it to her and her father will not beat her. So do one thing, just pluck out my other eye, और ये उसको दे के आ जाओ, and so that कि जब वो घर जाए तो her father will not beat her. I will stay with you one night longer, said the swallow, but I cannot pluck out your eye. You would be quite blind then. So he says that I am going to stay with you one night longer. मैं एक रात और आपके साथ रह लूं, said the swallow, but मैं आपकी दूसरी आई प्लक नहीं करूंगा, because अगर मैंने आपकी सेकंड आई भी प्लक कर दी, so it's going to make you blind then. So swallow, swallow, little swallow, said the prince, do as I command you. Now उसने बोला swallow, swallow, little swallow, जो मैं तुम्हें कमांड करता हूँ ना, you have to do that particular thing. So he plucked out the prince's other eye and darted down with it. तो उसने प्रिंस की दूसरी आई भी प्लक आउट कर ली and just darted down with it. And he swooped past the match girl and slipped the jewel into the palm of her hand. और वो मैच गर्ल के पास से फ्लाई करती हुई स्वॉलो निकली, एंड उसने वो जो ज्वेल वो लेकर के जा रही थी, दैट इज जो सफायर उसके पास था, उसको उसने स्लिप कर दिया इनटू द पाम ऑफ हर हैंड, उसकी हथेली में। What a lovely bit of glass, cried the little girl, and she ran home laughing. उसने बोला what a lovely bit of glass, उस लिटिल गर्ल ने कहा, एंड शी रैन होम लाफिंग, और वो हंसते हंसते वहां से घर चली गई। देन द swallow came back to the prince. You are blind now, he said, so I will stay with you always. Now वो swallow वापस आके प्रिंस को क्या कहती है, you know, as you are blind now, so I am always going to stay with you and I am not going to leave you. No, little swallow, said the poor prince, you must go away to Egypt. No, I will stay with you always, said the swallow, and he slept at the prince's feet. But prince ने कहा no, little swallow, उस पुअर प्रिंस ने कहा तुम्हें इजिप्ट चले जाना चाहिए। बट द swallow said what, no, I will stay with you always, and ऐसा कह के the swallow slept at the prince's feet. Okay, so this is all for our class today. आज यहीं पे चैप्टर को फिनिश करेंगे हम, and जो remaining part बच गया that we'll finish in tomorrow's class. Okay, so just stay safe and keep studying, and also do read this part of the chapter that we have completed in this class, so that tomorrow before beginning the topic for tomorrow we will just clear up the doubts related to this topic of today's class with you. Okay, तो कोई भी डाउट होगा हम कल की क्लास में पहले क्लियर करेंगे, and for today this is all, so take care of yourself.